Prospect House, which is a multi-storey building with multiple offices. So there's a lot of people with clients in and out. This lift is used day in, day out at all times of day and night. So yeah, having a peace of mind of that is, we need it at all times. The lift was down quite regular, causing issues, especially over long weekends periods. You know, using stairs, not everybody can use stairs, so the lift is so important for this type of building. Multiple businesses in and out of clientele. Since XL Lifts have been here to do the full modernisation on the lift, it is running smoothly, back up to 24/7 operations. So when XL Lifts were in to do the modernisation, timings were A1, again timekeeping, site behaviour, all the engineers, we knew what was going on, didn't run over time, over schedule at all. Again, peace of mind, user friendly, and everyone seems to be happy and business is going as usual.